after 3 non-tribals were beaten up and were assaulted at Lumdingiri, opposite Lumdingiri police station just recently. Now a couple has turned up and taken a stand, and opposing or demanding for justice and are against the atrocities against non-tribals. So if you can introduce yourself first, please.
You see, this is not the first time, and we are not sitting for the mainly for 20th incident.
Okay.
But it is since 1979 we are facing all these problems, and many people are brutally killed and many incidents have taken place. So nobody has objected till today, and we are the couple. She is my wife, Kalpana Chaudhary. I am S.K. Chaudhary. We have decided to sit individually, not from any organization. Individually, let us sit and let's see how people react on this. But we got today's program. We got a fantastic support from the people, and even tribal, non-tribal, all have come, spoke with us, and they've given us their support. So I hope that whatever the gap has created,
50 years,
50 years,
it should
we want to bridge that gap. So why not let us try. We can bring that Shillong back to the normalcy.
Okay. Now I just wanted to understand, this is a hunger strike that you have taken today.
Yeah.
So how many days are you planning to carry out this agitation?
Actually, we had given an application to the district administration for hunger strike till death. I mean, till the time the culprits are nabbed or arrested, or the justice is given to the victims. But the administration has not given that permission. They've given us 6 hours permission for fasting. Okay. So till today morning, from morning we didn't take anything, and till now we have just taken little water and broke the fasting.
Okay.
So whenever there is another incident will take place, again we'll sit.
Okay.
So that way we'll continue it. It is a starting only. It is in 50 years, first time it had happened. So we'll continue it.
Sir, I just wanted to understand one point. There's a lot of question about whenever there's any atrocities or any harm or when non-tribals are being assaulted, there's always the word police that come up. Police comes up with miscreants, masked miscreants. Don't you think that till date the police have never come up or try to reveal who are these people involved in assaulting?
No, you see that last incident that it was a pre-Golden Jubilee celebration on 20th January. In front of police station, Lumdingiri police station,
right.
8 people were assaulted, but till now no one is arrested.
Okay.
So I don't know really how people, why police is unable to do this.
Take any action.
Take any action against them.
Okay. So today, this is your first protest or first hunger strike. Next, you're saying that when there's any kind of attack and all, you're ready to come out and sit for a hunger strike.
Yes.
And you're very happy with the turnout today. Many people showed their support.
Very happy that people are supporting it. But people, one should come out. One should give one step. Then people will support you.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
So there clearly what he stated, that this hunger strike is not just for the recent incident that took place opposite Lumdingiri police station. Now, as mentioned, there were several people who turned up to show their support for the couple, and immediately security beefed up in this area. It took place here at Khandailat. The hunger strike started early morning today, 10 a.m. here in Shillong City. It's a Sunday today, and you can see even the security are still here on standby. The couple has clearly mentioned that if further any atrocities against non-tribals, they're ready to come forward and carry out another hunger strike. This is Princess Rashir for EastMojo.com in Shillong.